If you want to add this headline over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we have the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. They are the same settings as I've shown you for this headline over here. So I'm going to leave the same tutorial moving on. If we want to add this headline over here, we simply have to click on it. We can also edit this headline from the structure. We can see it over here. If you're not seeing the structure panel over here, you simply have to click on this button like so. You might see the structure like so. You can simply drag it to the edge of the screen in order to see it like so. So for the headline, you can customize the text over here. You can add a link over here by clicking on this wheel over here. You can choose the link to open in a new window, and you can also use these dynamic tags over here in order to link to something inside your website. Like let's say that I'm going over here to internal URL, and by clicking over here and by type I'm going to leave content, and then if I'm searching for a different page, I can simply link to a different page like so. So now if I'm clicking over here on this eye and clicking on blog name, it's going to take me to the episodes page. And you can also choose the HTML tag over here. And if you want to edit the title with AI, you can simply click over here to edit with AI. Because we already have some text over here, we also see the text over here. So we can access those options over here, like simplify language, make it longer, make it shorter, fix spelling and grammar, change the tone if we want to, and translate to a different language if we want to. If we want to create a text using a prompt, we simply have to click over here to new prompt. And then we have to describe the text and the tone we want to use. And then by simply clicking on generate text, we are going to have a new text. By going to style over here, we can choose the alignment of the text inside its own container. You can see it like so. We can choose the typography over here. By clicking on the globe, we can choose from the global fonts. And by clicking on this pen, we can make the changes manually. We can change the font family from over here. We can change the size from over here, the width from over here. We can transform it uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. We can have it italic if we want to, and we can decorate it if we want to, like so. And then the line height. This is important if we have multiple lines of text. So let's edit this with AI. Let's make it longer. And let's use this text. So now we have multiple lines of text. So by going back to style, and by going on this pen over here to line height, I like to use AM over here. And then you can choose the line height like so. So basically, if you're seeing the text overlapping itself, you have to make the changes over here. You can choose how you want it to have it, as pixel or as EM. Then we have the letter spacing, like so, and the word spacing. Like so. Then we have a text stroke. Let's make it a bit bigger. And we can change the color from over here. Okay. And a text shadow. We can change the shadow color from over here. Here we can change the color, and from over here as well, and the opacity from over here. Then we have some settings over here like the blur and the distance. We can create some cool effects like so. We have some blend mode. And over here we have the text color, like so. And we also have the option to change the text color on hover. So now, if someone hovers with the mouse over the text, the color is going to change. And we can choose the transition duration over here, like so.